Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merch, Dove soap bar for men and women. Meron tayong Dove Sensitive Beauty Bar Moisturizing Milk. Available po siya sa 100 grams. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Beauty Bar for Deep Moisturizing Milk. Dove Beauty Bar for Deep Nourishment Moisturizing Milk. 3 times 90 grams bar, save up to 10%. Yan. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Beauty Bar Moisturizing Cream, 90 grams. Yan. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Beauty Bar Moisturizing Milk, 135 grams. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, mga malls, grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Dove Pink Beauty Bar for Deep Nourishment Moisturizing Milk. 3 times 135 bars. Save up to 13%. Ayan. Unilever po yan. Meron din tayong single pack. Kanina meron tayong 3 times isang pack lang, promo po siya. Save ka 13 pesos. Save up to 34 pesos. Next, meron din Dove Pink Beauty Bar Moisturizing Milk, 135 grams. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Gentle Exfoliating Beauty Bar Moisturizing Cream, 90 grams. And next, meron din tayong Dove Go Fresh Moisture Beauty Bar Moisturizing Cream, 90 grams. Diniliver po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Care and Protect. Available po siya sa 100 grams. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Men Care Plus Care Deep Clean for Fine Grains, Profit Intense Grains Purifiance, 1/4 Moisturizing Cream, Body Plus Face Bar Paint Netoyan Corpse Visage. Available po siya sa 106 grams. Iniliver po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Men Plus Care Extra Fresh Invigorating formula, 1/4 moisturizing cream, body plus face bar, paint, maintenance corpse, and visage. 106 grams. Unilever po yan. Yan yung Dove soap bar for men and women. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch videos. Dove soap bar for men and women. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching.